Hi. Yes, but I didn't lie to you. I told you I had like 3 parade packages back to back. If somebody is using my code, I don't know who it is. I wish y'all would tell me. I feel like it's here. I don't know. I feel like we have a connection here, right? Y'all better. I'm just kidding, but yeah, thank you whoever used my code again. I'm not gonna stop saying it because I'm very grateful, appreciative, because what the heck? Nobody does that. Nobody just uses your code, and especially back to back. I don't think it's the same person. I don't even know if that's possible, but it's crazy. Like 3 people really chose to use my code to buy this. What? And this is not a cheap brand either. It's kind of expensive to some people, Well, it's kind of medium range too. It depends. Anyways, so yay. Let me get the frick. Get out. Okay. This is from their swim collection. Okay, so this is free gifted, and I did choose this too. Okay, so ooh, this feels big. Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna get this one. This one's big. This looks juicy and exciting. Okay, this is the blue swimsuit. I think it's like 2-piece set. That's what. Wow, I love the royal blue. Yes, I love this color. It's just, I can't. It's so pretty, right? I can't. I just love blue. This royal blue, I can't. Oh, is this like a 1-piece set? Oh, it is a 1-piece bikini set. No wonder it felt kind of heavy. Okay, so I forgot how you're supposed to wear it. I think it's like this side or this side. I don't know. This is confusing. I think it looks like a dress. I think it's like this, like from your head, it comes like this, you tie it. Okay, right? I'm trying to picture it, and then right here it's like a triangle shape. Oh, and it's like, I feel like this is where you show your stomach, your tummy, and then it's cut like a triangle, like okay, this looks like a dress. I love the design, and it's okay. This is where your butt goes, or your kitty. I don't know which side is which. If this is the front, okay, I think this is the front. Yeah, I think it goes like this. Wow. Okay, so this is so pretty. Wow. This is in the size medium, by the way, and okay, protection for hygiene. Yes, thank you. Because some people be trying out oh, booger. Sorry. Swimsuits like in the stores, and I know they don't put underwear underneath. I don't know how people are so brave out there. Anyways, I just love it, the color. Okay, so I don't wear bikinis. I don't go to the beach. I don't like showing my skin, so I prefer, if I would have to wear a bikini at 1-piece, I don't like showing my body, I'm very shy, and I just don't like it. I feel uncomfortable. So ever since I was a kid, like, I wouldn't wear 2-piece bikinis, only 1 piece, or like a short shirt and shorts. That's my style. But so this is perfect for us if you're shy, So you just show your stomach a little, and then your legs, your arms, so you're covered. And this is a pretty cool size, I think. Yeah, and it looks stylish, it looks comfortable, it is stretchy, it is hard, like, not hard, like swimsuit material there. It looks, yeah, I love that it's not see-through, you see? You're not gonna really see your nipples. I mean, obviously once you go down the water, but not really. It's not thin, so it's a great quality bikini. I don't feel like it's gonna fall on me either. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try it out for the video. I'm not comfortable showing. But trust me, I'm pretty sure it is great quality. Not me is being shy, but showing my scar armpit hair, I can't. Anyways, doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so whatever. That's that. Okay, so the second thing, okay, this is another bikini piece, but it's not a one piece, so I just got like the bra part of the bikini, if you get what I mean. So I was thinking to just use a traditional bralette instead of a bikini, because I don't wear bikinis, I would say, I guess. So, or I don't know, maybe I'll use it like I said, I don't like using bikinis, so I'll just use like water shorts underneath and the bra on top. So this, and I don't know, I just like it's so bright and it's yellow. I don't know, I just love the colors. And this one feels like the same material, is pretty heavy. So, oh, I like that it's skinny. It's little. Oh, and this design, that's how you know it's bikini, not bralette or bra, because it doesn't really close right here. It's just connected. It's not like a clip. So I guess, yeah, you guys, you just put it on like a shirt. Okay, you can tell I don't wear bikinis, but I don't even know. Okay, so, and this is a size medium too. So wow. Okay, it's just a traditional bra. They had other colors and styles. I can't remember which other colors, sorry, but I know I'm pretty plain, so this looks perfect for the summer. It's so bright and I'm happy like that. I just love neon. So this is not neon, but it is a pretty, like, you're gonna stand out. And yeah, something you need to learn is that if you are like in a pool or like swimming, you shouldn't be wearing blue swimwear. So I shouldn't have gotten this color. Oh well. Oh well, but I don't know. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's for safety reasons, especially if you're a little kid. But like me, I don't know how to swim, so I'm obviously not gonna be wearing these bikinis. But it's good to just keep, just in case. Or maybe I'll wear it as a bodysuit and like kind of like a dress, and put something on like pants or a jacket maybe, instead of wearing it as a bikini, you know. Because this kind of looks like a dress. It looks cool. Okay. And this, maybe if it's too hot outside, I just wear this and shorts. No, I don't think I would. I'm too shy for that. So, but there's people that do it. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, I forgot to do a close-up. Okay. Okay, which one is your favorite? Obviously for me this, because it looks like a dress. And wow. And obviously I love this one too, the color. Yeah. Wow, it's so fun. Okay, so yay, thank you, Parade. And obviously I do have a discount code. I'm always gonna promote. Sorry if it gets annoying, but it's like, you know, in case somebody hasn't watched the other video, that's why, for people that are new kind of thing. You know, so I don't want to sound like those annoying people that promote, but yeah. Anyways, thank you again for sending me the yay. I'm so excited. This is making me be excited for summer. Imagine I finally, yeah, I drowned as a kid. Halfway, because I was rescued. It's an embarrassing story. Maybe I'll do a story time. Oh my god, it's funny now, but obviously it was traumatic back then. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't like swimming. I don't like water. I get scared. I don't know, I'm scared of water, like swimming underwater. I don't know, because of that. So, well, no, I feel like even before I drowned, not me saying it all casual. I was still very scared, but I pushed myself. Anyways, I don't know, maybe 20-30 years later, I'm like, you know what, forget it. Obviously, I'm not scared to go to the pool, like, but I'm saying the actual deep side of the pool or the actual ocean, trying to swim, you know, without somebody helping me, or like a life vest or something. I don't think I would. I'm too chicken. Well, actually, no. I think I'm at the age right now that I don't care. But when I was a kid, hell no, or a teenager, probably not. But I feel like once you're older, you're like, I don't care. Actually, no, it's the other way around. But for me, I feel like, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try and go swim and stop being scared, you know, of the waters. It's scary, okay? I am a scaredy cat. But I do have an excuse for it, so y'all can't judge me. I'm kidding. But no, if it's a dare, I don't care. If you dare me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump in the water, so. But like me actually going, like, I kind of feel like going, like, not really. Actually, maybe, yeah, I kind of feel like I want to. I think, yeah, now that I'm older, yeah, I feel like I want to try and swim again, like learn, or like just be at the pool kind of thing. Yeah. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. Okay, so bye. Oh, and shout out to the girl that saved me. I still remember her. I don't know what happened to her. She's probably married and has kids, you know. Because she reacted quick. That's crazy for a little girl. And very, like, mature. Anyways, I'll probably do another story. Okay, anyways, bye. Thanks for watching.